Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have an admin account and the current password. That prevents lockouts. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Security or Device Management so you're in the right panel. Make sure to back up recovery codes, a secondary email, or a phone number before changing cycle policies. You do this now to avoid being permanently locked out. Then select the password or passcode policy option to start changing the cycle length and enforcement rules. You'll now set the cycle interval, for example 90 days or a specific number of logins, because that defines how often users must change passwords. Next, adjust complexity. Minimum length, required symbols, upper and lowercase, and how many previous passwords are blocked. This prevents easy reuse. Once configured, enable reminders and a short grace period so users aren't abruptly locked out. Finally, choose Automated Enforcement, so the system applies the new cycle without. You finish by saving and applying the policy, and then immediately verifying with a test account to confirm behavior. Once verified, notify users with clear steps to change their password and how to use recovery options. If someone is locked out, first use recovery codes or an admin override to restore access, and then investigate logs to see why enforcement failed. Make sure to adjust timing or grace periods if you see repeated issues affecting many users.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.